My name is Basavaraju. I work as a Deputy Director for Orn of Nigeria.
My name is Ogunwale Babayemi Mark, Back Office Manager, Airtel Managed Service.
My name is Babatunde Salvador. Currently, I work as the transmission team, the team lead for the transmission back office.
My name is Adelokun Said Olawale. Currently, I'm the FO manager for fiber.
My name is Manuel Amodu. I currently work as the team lead for the ICTSM team in OSSIT for or what you may call the automation office currently.
My name is Michelle. I work with, I'm a wireless engineer for the BSS team, run departments for Airtel Management Service.
My name is Huawei and I work on RAIN project. It's an offshore South African project.
My name is Adebayo Gibre. I'm with the optics team in MTN projects. Huawei.
My name is Alade James Olufumini, FO manager on 9 mobile projects in Lagos.
Okay, I have been working in this establishment, it's like 2 years, 10 months. So it's a really challenging environment. Customers, internal teams, expectation is very high.
For example, now, the main work itself, the complex issues that come up from time to time, and you actually cannot give an excuse that you can't resolve. We actually employed to fix issues. So there's a daily challenge to fix whatever issue is coming. That's one side of it. There's also a challenge to be proactive to prevent issues coming up. That's one. Then apart from the work itself, it's a multicultural environment. So you need to actually understand other people. We have different upbringings. It's a big knock.
To me, I can't say there is a lot of challenges in working with Huawei because Huawei have already provided a place, a platform to build yourself. Even if there is a challenge, you have to see people that's going to help you with your challenge.
One of the major challenges we are facing right now is achieving a zero-touch goal, which we are not where we want to be, but we are not where we used to be. So for me, it's a very important step that we've taken towards this year especially, and I believe that H1 next year we should be able to achieve most of our set goals and actually achieve our zero-touch target.
We try to put in our best as a team to work together to make sure that that comes out well. So the work pressure is quite a lot, to be honest.
For me, really, the hard work never goes unnoticed. Likewise, it never goes unrewarded, to be honest. So that's the beauty of it all, despite all the challenges, really.
I think some people know my story. I started from surveillance part, and presently I'm now managing one of the part of MTN, which is fiber. So far, we have already given the platform of succession. If the succession plan is not there, I won't be there. I won't be here. Because I started from RAN surveillance. I moved to the cadre of team lead, to FO manager MTN project, to FO manager SVMS project, and now I'm now managing fiber. So it has already shown me the way of life.
It's a new experience. I've learned to work with people, learned to identify key sections of an organization where I fit in perfectly and both grow personally and also grow my team.
I, for one, didn't think I could work under pressure before. In fact, just today, I didn't know I could deliver reports in less than 30 minutes, but I did it. So it pushes you, maybe not to your wits, but it pushes you to do things that you never thought that you could do, to go to the length where you can beat yourself and say, I can actually do this. And it goes beyond just the work environment as well. It has given me this sort of attitude where I would want to attain something and I just keep trying.
We've really been exposed to new technologies because it's like we started from scratch. the technology we used for the project. So we've really been able to learn a lot of things. We even had the opportunity to travel down to South Africa to learn more.
The expectation, personal expectation, or the goals what we want to achieve for 2019 is 100% towards automation. We want to achieve zero TT spending on daily basis. This is what is our achievement, what we have to do for 2019.
Really is a situation where we'll have a lot of competencies developed amongst the locals, and also a lot more opportunities, given to the local.
Is that we're looking for faster ways to resolve problems. We're moving from being a manual environment to an automated environment. And I'm really anxious to see how 2019 plays out, especially in terms of automation, because that's the vision of the company right now. And I really want to see how it changes the way we work, and then I want to match it with other advanced countries where it's already in play. So I'm really excited to see how it works out.
I'm preparing myself at a high level to coordinate more people effectively and make sure that I achieve company's goal, like zero tolerance and customer zero complaint. So I'm planning, working towards that and thinking towards carrying my people along, that this is what is needed to be done, and this is what customer wants us, what management wants us to achieve.
Just need to build the people's interest in work, people's dedication to work, people's skill at work. So for me, those are the things I hope to achieve for me, myself personally next year, and also for my team.
2019, I want to be a better person. Better person in the sense that improve more on myself, see how I can get more trainings on the same technologies that we're working on. Because there are some things that I think I still need to know more. Personal achievements, I need to know more about the telecom sector, the sector that I'm in for 2019, and also connect more with my colleagues.
The messages for my team is to say that we are doing very good job, but we have a lot of things to achieve, and it will be very, very challenging for sure.
Huawei is a learning place. If you free yourself, you will learn more. Don't be rigid on a particular section of Huawei. Feel free. If you are in surveillance FO, I would ask you to move around, meet with the OSS team. You can learn the part of OSS. That doesn't mean you are not going to use it as a surveillance FO. You can learn transmission part. So don't rigid yourself on a particular scope of work. Make yourself broad. So my advice is keep training, keep learning. While we have a lot of things to learn from. If you go to their website and the IT support, you can download so many things you can learn. So don't limit yourself to a particular thing.
Don't give up. Don't give up. I mean, I think this is the longest I've ever stayed in an organization. I haven't stayed more than 2 years, and I've worked in 3 places before here. So don't ever give up. Like the first person initially said, it will never go unrewarded. Even if it's not in the present place where you work, your attitude is always going to come out. It's always going to show, and I mean, if you work with a lackadaisical attitude here, there's no guarantee that you're going to give so much effort and improvement in some big top oil company. So positive attitude, I think that is the most important thing. To better yourself and to better your work, your team players, your team people who you work with.
For my team, I want to say my team is really doing a great job, and we are doing Nigeria proud, we are doing RGS proud, we are doing Huawei proud, as we are representing them outside the country. And for new staffs that are coming in, I would like to say this is a good place to work. RGS is actually, I can see like there's some improvement. There's been improvement over the months. some things have been put in place that shows that they are really thinking about the staffs. For example, now we now have the sick bay, which we didn't have before, and I think that's really a good one. At least we know that somebody is thinking about us in cases of emergencies. You know, we can go in for that. And then also there was a time we had our health week, and they brought in professionals to check us up and all of that. I think that's a good one. So it's not a bad place to work.
We are MTN back office. Quality, we are the best.
This is front office. I am the network. Woo!
We are automation team
aiming for zero touch.